Now let me come to CAA. The reason why we are protesting. Let me tell you first the root of CAA. In Germany, what Hitler did, what Nazis did to Jewish people, 60 lakh Jewish people, by putting them into detention centers and the genocide that happened. MS Golwalkar, the RSS ideologue, appreciates that. He says India should learn from that. From a book and the page number, I'll tell you that. We and Our Nationhood Defined, written by MS Golwalkar, page number 87 and 105. Please read that. That is what Amit Shah follows. Golwalkar is their god. CAA is a complete, it has its root in that. Here, this step is where they are segregating us based on our religion. Let me tell you something. If Hindus think, oh, we are safe, no, we are not. This will extend. Now it is religion. Then it becomes about language. Then it becomes about caste. So don't stop. Don't think you're safe just because you're Hindus. No, you're not. Think about the future. Think about your children. 3,000 crore rupees from education has been taken down. But nobody here knows about it. Why? Because they have made us concentrate. They have diverted us from the economic issues, from unemployment issues to CAV. Because, and we totally believe this is so important. They're dividing us. They talk about Pakistan. Pakistan is in this position because they talk about religion. We, India, are a secular nation. That's why we compete with America today. Pakistan is not. Because we concentrated on our economic development, not on religious basis. That was the secret behind India's development so far. These people are taking our country backwards. Backwards by 50 years. It took us this many years to come here. For me to stand here and talk to you being a girl, it is because of the past 50 years, not because of the past 7 years. Let me tell you this. After section 144, what happened in Unnao? Yogi Adityanath, he concentrating on changing all the Muslim names to Hindu names. And you know what happened recently, yesterday? He's changing the name of Meerut to Nathuram Godse Nagar. Really? Godse? He should be concentrating on women issues. A survivor, a rape survivor, she fought. I'm so proud to be an Indian woman. She fought until her death. She lost her father, she lost her family. She has faced immense pressure and violence from the perpetrators. And who is the perpetrator? A BJP MLA. And yesterday he was convicted after she died, after she was literally lit on fire. Can you see the courage in her? She ran for 1 kilometer while burning herself. That was a conviction. That is a conviction of an Indian woman. And you think this Modi and Narendra Modi and this Amit Shah can stop us? No. Until they stop CAA, we will be protesting. We will make sure they'll take it down. Somebody asked me if I request central government to take this down. No, we won't request. We will command. We will command them to take down CAA.